The Hampton Bay 3-speed ceiling fan remote offers simple handheld control over fan power and all 3 airflow speeds, making it easy to fine-tune comfort from anywhere in the room. It also manages the fan's lighting with separate buttons for switching the lights on or off, and a smooth dimming function that works well for creating softer evening lighting. Installation is straightforward for most do-it-yourself users, since the included receiver and mounting hardware are designed to work with a wide range of existing ceiling fan setups. Its universal compatibility covers many popular fan brands and different light bulb technologies, including modern energy-saving bulbs so you can upgrade older fixtures without replacing the whole fan. A walk-away delay feature lets you tap the light button once and still have illumination for a short time as you leave, which is especially handy in bedrooms, hallways, and stairwells. Because the unit is rated for damp environments, it is a strong choice not only for living rooms and bedrooms, but also for covered porches or patios where humidity is higher.